You know what time it is? Job review. All right, job number one. This is a senior QA analyst. Don't think just because you knew you're not a senior QA, because in Road to QA, we position you for this. You learn API, SQL, Postman, 100%. Listen, you can go for these roles. You're going to be executing, creating test plans, scheduling, performing testing, reviewing, all of this stuff. I'm not going to read this. You go find this. Now, it says may assist with automated test scripts. What I love is it says may assist. So what does that mean? You may apply. Let's go. All right, job number two. Now, Morgan & Morgan, they can do better with the money. They only want 45 to 50K, so I need you guys to negotiate. However, this is still a really great first role. They're not asking for much experience anyway. However, let's try to see if we can get them at least 70K. Can we try to do that? Because they're asking for something with automation here, but it's not deep. So I still feel like we all can apply. Please go read this job description. It's with Morgan & Morgan. It's remote for a QA analyst. All right, and this is my favorite one, and it is remote, $60 to $69 an hour, senior QA analyst. Every one of my QAs are positioned as senior when you come out of Road to QA, baby. I don't see any automation on here. These are just core QA responsibilities, meaning it's no reason why you all can't do this role. Please go and apply, find this role, and let's get these opportunities. Let's go.